just a few more feet. Once again, do not stand until you get the whistle from our engineer up front. Please wait for the whistle. And we're all clear. Please watch your head and step. Our one and only exit at this stop will be towards the front of the train, towards car number 2.
Oh,
I like the floor.
yeah.
So yeah, this is the new. We're going into like what would be the queue for Tiana's Bayou. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This is really cool looking. I like the slate or whatever this is called.